Hi, and this will be a quick video on me fixing the indicators in my Morris Minor. So at the moment I have the indicator switch right over there, and this is where the washer pump button actually used to be. It's not very convenient to reach under if you're driving.
Here's a demonstration.
So to solve that, I've gotten one of these. This mounts on the stalk. This car did have one, but it doesn't work. So the old owner had put a rotary switch up here, but that also broke. So I just had that in the meantime. Now this is just a cheap switch that I got online. The problem is, it's supposed to be mounted like this. But this is in the way, so I've had to bend this and weld a little screw or bolt or whatever that was to the end, and then I just glued the original cap thing back on. So first let me get that mounted on the steering column. Unfortunately, the cat has interrupted my project. Right, as you can see, I have the old switch disconnected and connected to the new switch. I've just mounted it using the hardware that came with the switch. However, I've had to put a couple rolls of whatever that stuff is, because the steering column is a bit too thin. The color code for the wiring can be found in your workshop manual, as you can see over there. But now the indicators do in fact work. You can see outside. And now the other side.
So this is how the indicator switch should be wired. There should be 3 wires going into the switch. One is a common wire, and that's green, and 2 other wires which connect your left and right indicator bulbs. On top of that, there should be a flasher warning lamp. I can't remember what color that is, but it's the one that's not in this diagram. This is a screenshot from the manual, and these are the color codes. I'll put a link to the workshop manual PDF in the description. Here you can see the common green wire. This corresponds to the middle of the switch. Green with red trace is the left bulb, which corresponds to this one. And lastly, green with a white trace is the right bulb. And that obviously corresponds to the last terminal.
The new switch is completely installed, and I'm pretty happy with how it is. And look what I found underneath the dash when tidying up the wires. It's a old Warner Fitness sticker, just like this one. But this one expires November 1987. Here's a better look at it. The license plate matches. So 5th of November 1981. Don't know what those numbers up there mean. Definitely keeping this.